Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is the fifth lesson, Kasra. This sign is called Kasra sign. The Kasra sign is similar to Fatha sign, but it is inserted at the bottom of the letter. When we reading Kasra, its pronunciation should not be as prolonged like ba. We should avoid jerking. It gives E sound, not A. When Kasra comes out at bottom of Ra, we read it lightly. This is the first letter. Hamza Kasra E, Ba Kasra B, Ta Kasra Ti, Ra Kasra Fi, Jim Kasra Ji, Ha Kasra Hi, Kha Kasra Khi, Dal Kasra Di, Dal Kasra Vi, Ra Kasra Ri. There is Ra has Kasra sign. We read it lightly. Ra Kasra Ri, Za Kasra Zi, Sin Kasra Si, Shin Kasra Shi, Sqad Kasra Sri, Dad Kasra Di, Ta Kasra Ti, Dha Kasra Vi, Ain Kasra I, Ghain Kasra Ghi, Fa Kasra Fi, Qaf Kasra Qi, Kaf Kasra Ki, Lam Kasra Li, Mim Kasra Mi, Noon Kasra Ni, Waw Kasra Vi, Ha Kasra Hi, Hamza Kasra I, Ya Kasra Yi. This is the exercise of our lesson. We read it. Ghain Fatha Gha, Dad Kasra Di, Ghadi. Then we read Ba Fatha Ba, Ghadiba, Fa Fatha Fa, Ha Kasra Hi, Fahi, Ya Fatha Ya, Fahiya, Lam Fatha La, Ain Kasra I, La'i, Ba Fatha Ba, La'iba, Kha Fatha Kha, Shin Kasra Shi, Khashi, Ya Fatha Ya, Khashiya, Ha Fatha Ha, Ba Kasra Bi, Habi, Ta Fatha Ta, Habita, Ain Fatha A, Mim Kasra Mi, Ami, Lam Fatha La, Amila, Ha Fatha Ha, Sin Kasra Si, Hasi, Ba Fatha Ba, Hasiba, Ain Fatha A, Lam Kasra Li, Ali, Mim Fatha Ma, Alima, Ain Fatha A, Ha Kasra Hi, Ahi, Dal Fatha Da, Ahida, Ha Fatha Ha, Mim Kasra Mi, Hami, Dal Fatha Da, Hamida, Sin Fatha Sa, Kha Kasra Khi, Sakhi, Ra Fatha Ra, Sakhira, Hamza Fatha A, Dal Kasra Di, हमजा फतहा आ, दाल कसरा दी, आदि, नून फतहा ना, आदीना, शीन फतहा शा, रा कसरा री, शारी, बा फतहा बा, शारीबा. There is ra has kasra sign, we read it lightly. If there is ra has fatha sign, we read it bold tone, like sheen fatha sha, ra fatha ra, shara, ba fatha ba, sharaba. But there is ra has kasra sign, we read it lightly, like this: sheen fatha sha, ra kasra ri, shari, ba fatha ba, shariba. हमजा कसरा ई, रा फतहा रा, इरा, मीम फतहा मा, इरामा. There is ra has fatha sign, we read it bold tone, like irama. If there is ra has kasra sign, we read it lightly, like irima. Ya fatha ya, हमजा कसरा ई, या ई, सीन फतहा सा, या इसा. या फतहा या, लाम फतहा ली, या ली, जीम फतहा जा, या लीजा. स्वाद फतहा स्वा, आइन कसरा ई, स्वाई, qa फतहा qa, स्वाईqa. खा फतहा खा, सीन कसरा सी, खासी, रा फतहा रा, khasira. This ra has fatha sign, we read it with bold tone, like khasira. If there is kasra sign, we read it lightly, like khasiri. Lam fatha la, ba kasra bi, labi, tha fatha tha, labitha. fa fatha fa, lam fatha la, fala, qaf kasra qi, falaqi. This ra has fatha sign, we read it bold tone, like ra fatha ra, dad kasra di, radi, ya fatha ya, radiya. If there is kasra sign, we read it lightly, like da kasra ri, dad kasra di, ridi. Sheen fatha sha, ha kasra hi, shahi, dal fatha da, shahida. Ba fatha ba, ra kasra ri, bari, qaf fatha qa, bariqa. This ra has kasra sign, we read it lightly. If there is fatha sign, we read it bold tone, like baraqa. Now there is kasra sign, we read it lightly, like ba fatha ba, ra kasra ri, bari, qaf fatha qa, bariqa. qaf fatha qa, mim fatha ma, qama, ra kasra ri, qamari. This ra has kasra sign, we read it lightly. If this ra has fatha sign, we read it bold tone, like qamara. So there is kasra, we read it lightly, like kaf fatha qa, mim fatha ma, qama, ra kasra ri, qamari. Kaf fatha ka, ra kasra ri, kari, ha fatha ha, kariha. This ra has also kasra sign, we read it lightly, kariha. If there is fatha sign, we pronounce with bold tone, karaha. Noon fathana, sin kasra si, nasi, ya fathaya, nasiya. Ba fathaba, lam fathala, bala, ghain, ba fatha ba, lam fatha la, bala, ghain fatha gha, balagha, ta kasrati, balagati, واو فتحة و لام فتحة لا ولا دال كسرة دي ولدي فا فتحة فا فتحة ففا زا كسرة زي ففزي عين فتحة ع ففزع را فتحة را حا كسرة حي راحي ميم فتحة ما راحمة. This ra has fatha sign. We read it bold tone like rahima, and if there is kasra sign, we read it like lightly like rihama. So we complete our lesson. Inshallah, we start the next lesson in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.